Welcome to the LG Customer Support channel. This short video will show you how to clean the agitator and pet turbine tool on your LG vacuum cleaner. Always unplug your LG vacuum cleaner prior to any maintenance to avoid electrical shock or personal injury. Frequently check the agitator brush area for strain, hair, and debris buildup. It may be necessary to remove the agitator cover to adequately clean it. To remove the agitator cover, press the left foot pedal to release the head. Lower the handle until the vacuum cleaner is lying flat on the floor. Be sure to set the vacuum cleaner on a soft cloth or smooth surface to protect it from scratches. Turn the vacuum cleaner over so the agitator is facing up. Remove the 6 screws on the bottom of the head and remove the cover. Carefully remove any accumulated strain, hair, or debris from the agitator and agitator area. Reinstall the agitator cover using the 6 screws. Your vacuum cleaner is also equipped with an agitator motor overload protection system. If the agitator slows down or stops while vacuuming, the agitator overload protector shuts off the agitator motor. To fix this problem, simply turn off and unplug the vacuum cleaner. Remove the obstruction and press the reset button. It is also important to periodically check the pet turbine tool for strain, hair, and debris buildup. It may be necessary to remove the pet turbine tool in order to adequately clean it. To remove the pet turbine tool, remove the 4 screws on the bottom. Lift the cover. Remove any debris. To ensure proper use over time, remove the agitator and place a small amount of lubricant to each end. To reassemble, carefully press the cover into the tabs until they snap into place. Insert and tighten the screws that were removed. Be sure not to over-tighten the screws.